Hey everyone, let's make eggplant rollatini. This is an Italian-American dish that stems from the Italian involtini, which means small bundles rolled up and traditionally had as an appetizer. But here, when we pair it with pasta or a side dish, this becomes a delicious, pretty wholesome meal for lunch or for dinner. Now, traditionally eggplant dishes come from Sicily. However, the particular origins of this particular dish are kind of up in the air. So, doesn't really matter. It tastes absolutely delicious, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.